Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change anti-aliasing / upscaling in split fiction. So as you guys see, I'm already in the main menu. I'm going to left click on options and head to the graphics tab, and as you see anti-aliasing / upscaling, all you need to do is just left click to switch it to FxAA or none, or right click to switch it to the FSR 3.1 and switch to back, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.